everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to use Ibotta Pay. It is really easy. I got it pretty much right on the first try, and it's really easy. Sometimes when I do use it, the stores are like, what are you doing? And I'm like, oh, I'm just paying with my phone. And they're like, what do you mean? And then I explain it to them. So Ibotta started a new thing called Ibotta Pay. So it's just directly through the app. I do have a video of how you guys use Ibotta, which I should do an updated video on that since they have made a ton of changes since then. But Ibotta Pay is super easy. What you guys can do is you can just click through like recommended retailers like Walmart, CVS. They let you guys do Ibotta Pay. Otherwise, you can scroll down and you can do new pay with Ibotta. And then as you guys see right here, they have percentages, if my camera will focus. But they have percentages. Like Walmart, it doesn't say anything, but Walmart is 1%. Home Depot is 2%. Lowe's is 3%. I know CVS, I think, is 3%. AMC is 5%. Chipotle 2%. Bath and Body Works, you guys, 7%. Ulta, 7%. So that's awesome. So what you guys need to do is you can view all, and these are all the stores that you guys can get percentages of money back. So basically, you pay for something, you pay with this, and that's how you guys get extra money. Plus, every single time you guys use Ibotta Pay, it counts as a rebate. So you know how you need like 20 rebates to finish level 1 or something like that? Well, every time you use Ibotta Pay, that counts towards a rebate. And I also have a thing going on right now that might vary for you guys, but now they have this thing called Earn More. And I actually have to use Ibotta Pay 3 times and I'll get $5. And I usually do Ibotta Pay every time I go to Walmart. So I just need to use it one more time and I'll get $5 added to my account. So I just want to share with you guys on that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do Walmart. Have the thing load. And then right here, there is a thing where it says offers and pay with Ibotta. You guys are just going to click pay with Ibotta. So right here, it says pay straight from the app and earn 1% cash back on your entire purchase instantly. So what you guys are going to do is you're just going to click pay with Ibotta. Okay, so then after the cashier tells you what your total is, you're just going to put the amount. So we're just going to do $10 is what the amount is. So then what you're going to do is it says review and something pops up saying, are you sure you want to continue with that? Yes, you do. But what you guys also need to do is you need to link your credit cards to the app. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that because I have done that before. But there's these little dotted lines right here that you guys can click on and you can change the numbers of your credit card. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of what the digital gift card looks like in just a second. So I'm deleting that so I don't accidentally buy a gift card. Now basically what it is you guys are buying an instant gift card. So if you accidentally screw up, you guys can just have the cashier scan that. It'll show it on the receipt that it's a gift card. And then you guys can pay with the rest. There is a $5 minimum. Says right here that, actually no, never mind. I guess you guys can pay $2. I know I was trying to pay with Ibotta Pay at CVS the other day, and it said I had to do a minimum of $5 to do that. So Walmart, you can do anything of a minimum. But what you guys can do is you get a gift card. So basically, this is how much time I have used Ibotta Pay at Walmart. So what you do is, the gift card just looks like this. Now, I already used this. You guys cannot use this. If you do, have fun because it's not going to get you anywhere. But this is basically what the gift card looks like when you guys use Ibotta Pay. So basically, it just charged $18.44 on my credit card right away. And the cashier just scans this. That's all you guys have to do. Pretty easy with that. And like I did 7 transactions with Walmart. I've even done Ulta, which I can show you guys that. I think those are the only 2 places that I've used Ibotta Pay. Yeah, I did 1 transaction with Ulta. So basically this is the gift card that it uses. Now if you guys want, you can also buy more if you want. If you want to buy like a $100 gift card through Ibotta, you could just screenshot this gift card so you guys can use it another time. But I'm just saying that's how I did it. So basically with Ibotta, I paid $27.42 with Ulta, but I ended up getting $1.92 back. So that adds up. Walmart, you don't get very much, but it does add up. But I just wanted to share with you guys how you use Ibotta Pay. Super easy. CVS, super easy. I've used CVS I think once so far. So yeah, 3%. Yeah, I've used it once. So my total was, sorry, this is Gina. My total was $7.42 and I made 22 cents. So basically, like I said, you just enter the number, you hit review, it'll give you guys a sorry, my daughter's a little stinker. But it'll give you guys a screen that looks like this, and that's all you have to do is just have the cashier scan it, and voila. Super easy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. I am here to share with you guys how to use it. But other than that, it's super easy. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.